Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make PNG transparent background image in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have a JPG image with white background. I drag and drop this image into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can remove the white background. We can go to Window and Show, Contextual taskbar. And then we can find Remove Background button. Click it and wait a moment. After white background is removed, we can go to File and save a copy. And then go to the file location. We can choose the file type. In Save As type, we can choose PNG. Next, we can go to Save it. And we can keep the default setting and press OK. Next, we can go back to File folder. We have PNG image with transparent background. So this is before and after. So this is how we can make PNG transparent background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.